Hello guys, so today I'm gonna introduce you our new digital planner. It's unparalleled planner. First, we have so many backgrounds that you can choose and decor. You can decor as unique as you want. Okay, next we have icon. If you are the Android user, then you pick the Android. And iOS, then you pick the iOS one. Next, we have so many choice of tabs that you can choose. And this is the more interesting one. We have 7 indexes that you can pick and choose based on your personality. 7 different girls like this. Next, you can customize your monthly page. We have so many choice. Don't worry. Next, weekly page too. And the last one is the daily page. Let's generate this. Ta-da! Okay, now I picked up my story one. Then I will introduce you this planner. This is the chapter of life of my story. On the corner of my story, we have features that you can click. Next, we go to home and lifestyle. This is the most interesting one and the complete one. On the corner, we have 13 choices that you can click. Okay, for example, I click the appointment one. And then you can write your appointment here. Next, we have meal plan here. Our meal plan is so complete, guys, don't worry. Monday and this Sunday is already available. You can just start write your meal plan here. On the inside of the meal plan, we have bought meal plan too. Okay, next I go to delivery tracker. Next, we have shopping list that you can write your shopping list here. We have upcoming event here too that you can write. And then the church plans. And we available receipt here that you can write your receipt on here. It's so pretty. Let's see. Next, we have challenges here too. Let's look a little bit closer. We have kitchen inventory here too. And next, we have grocery here. Okay, next we have entertainment here. This is so interesting. On the inside of the entertainment, we have podcast, book, TV series, and movie. Okay, the last one, let's go to the bucket list. Okay, back to the index page. We always have yearly overview here. This is our yearly overview, it's so pretty. And I will click our calendar and go to the daily page. And this is our monthly page. We got so many extra notes that you can click. Okay, now I'm gonna explain this one. We got 16 icons on the corner that you can click. For example, the first one, I click the Gmail one and it will automatically go to the Gmail page. Next, if you are boring and want to listen to some music, you can click this icon. It will go to the Spotify page. Next, if you want to watch some movie, you can click this TV here. But if you don't want to watch a movie on Apple TV, we got Netflix too that you can click. And we got YouTube that you can watch. And etc. Here we got reflection too. Our index is so complete, guys. Already included all. Okay guys, I think that's all. See you in the next video.